Welcome back. Check it out. 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ 71 pack. It's an LT2 trim level. It's 36 dealer service records on this truck, and she's solid and super nice. One of the rare color combos on this truck. Trailer tow package, bucket second row. Got the upgraded suspension, privacy glass, dual zone climate, sunroof, third row seat, power rear gate, silver trim, trailer tow pack, trailer brake, switch off 4x4, second row heated buckets. This truck has no accidents, 36 dealer service records, and she's solid and straight. Ready to go. All through our shop. Service and safety inspected with a service contract of 3 months. We're 4,500 miles over the drive line. Yes, sir. It's going to guarantee credit approval program. It's right in the money here, and you're looking at a down payment of $14.95 or better. Check out the body. Paint's nice. Non-smoker unit. Solid and straight. Real nice Goodyears all the way around on this truck. Folks, she's ready to go. Miles are just over 100. Service contract, perfect Carfax. DasCleveland.com.